At Knight's Mechanical Service, our goal is to meet and exceed your expectations. We're field and factory trained on all major brands of heating and air conditioning equipment and are EPA certified. Our technicians and mechanics are drug screened and background checked and even wear shoe covers to keep your home clean. We treat you with respect and get the job done right the first time. We know that getting what you pay for and getting treated honestly has gotten us where we are today. So we do all we can to earn trust and build lasting relationships. We have 20-plus years of experience, so call 757-589-5935 or visit knightsmechanical.net today.